Sending automated emails with Mailchimp is an efficient way to engage with your audience based on their actions or behaviors. Here's how to set it up. Log into Mailchimp. Go to Mailchimp's website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Automations. Click on the Automations tab in the main dashboard. Create a new automation. Click Create to start a new automation workflow. Select Email and choose Customer Journey or Pre-built Journey based on your needs. Choose a template or create a workflow. Select a pre-built automation template or click Create from scratch to build your own. Set up workflow triggers. Define the trigger that will start the automation, such as when a subscriber joins a list, makes a purchase, or clicks a link. Design your email. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to design your automated email. Customize content and design to match your campaign goals. Configure email settings. Set the email subject line, from name, and reply to address. Define the timing and frequency of the automated email, such as immediate delivery or a delay. Test and activate. Send a test email to yourself to ensure it looks correct. Click Start Sending to activate the automation.